Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about iPhone 14 Pro Max. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about iPhone 14 Pro Max. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Apple will bring its new iPhone 14 which has got a moniker Pro Max at the end. The American smartphone company Apple is working on the next generation device. The leaks come from John Prosser, who said that Apple will introduce its new series of phones in 2022. The coming smartphone will be called Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. The handset got a chipset of Apple A15 Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this device it has a 3.1 GHz hexa-core processor inside the Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max to make the device ultra-fast. Also, there is a GPU of Apple GPU 8-core graphics under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1284 x 2778 pixels. The Apple iPhone 14 is having a Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED LCD touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. In the protection of this smartphone, it has a scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating. This iPhone 14 Pro Max by Apple got 8GB of RAM, which gives this handset more power. The handset has got 256 512GB of internal memory, which is more than enough to store your data. There is a quad camera setup in the back of this new Apple 14 Pro Max. The main camera is 12 megapixels wide, and another one is also 12 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and the depth sensor is TOF 3D LiDAR. On the front, there is a dual 12 megapixels and SL3D depth biometric sensor, selfie camera in Apple iPhone's 14 Pro Max. There is a Face ID reader in this smartphone to protect your data. And you will find an IP68 dust water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 mins. The battery of the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with a 4500 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone also